Alright, what's going on, boys? We're going to do a live trading session for this evening. This is Tuesday 24th for the PM session. We got the 2 PM candle opening up in 7 minutes. So yeah, bias as of now. I want to be bullish, obviously, because we've put in the SMT with weekly sell side liquidity. If we zoom back out, SMT weekly sell side liquidity. 4-hour chart, displacement to the upside, and now we've retraced back into equilibrium, back into this 4-hour gap. Down to an hourly, we obviously have this hourly sell side liquidity, which it looks like price is hunting here. So we'll see. We'll see what happens with ES's hourly candle, because we obviously have this 1-hour BISI resting here. So we can see if that holds. If it doesn't, then I want to see NQ sell off to this low. Obviously, it's more bearish, and I'll look for the short model to here. And then, if I don't get it, I'll look for a long position from there. Something to take into account, though, is that ES is trading out of this daily bearish gap. So this could be like just daily order flow still bearish. And ES does have these weekly equal lows. So, but this is I'm only confident on this if we start to inverse this 4-hour gap and then we displace below this low and then we can find that short model there. But obviously that'll come another day, not today. So as of now on this internal high time frame structure, 4-hour, 1-hour, I do want to be bullish. I'm just interested to see if this 1-hour holds or not. Let's go into a 15. Yeah, cool. So right now we're holding this 15-minute gap. We have a 15-minute bearish gap here. Just mark that. And then, yeah, we can just look for that 1-minute model to that hourly sell side. So yeah, these time frames are aligned right now. Okay, there's no SMT here. Where's lunch highs resting? Is that it? Oh shit, lunch was all the way back here. Okay, never mind. Anyways, we either come up and we take out these relative equal highs and then we sell off to this, or we come down and then we find these longs. So that is the bias as of now. Yeah, I'm gonna try and record a short video for this. I'm not sure how it's gonna work. Is it recording now? No. Cool. Alright, so yeah, man, that is the bias as of now. Also, if this 15-minute gets inversed, then I'm not going to wait for this low. Looks like we're starting to see a bit of volume. Oh shit, I haven't checked news for today. Let's check that real quick. Okay, we don't have any news for the PM session. We're chilling. Tomorrow, again, no news. Thursday, no news. Okay. Yeah, it looks like this hourly's gonna hold. If this hourly holds and this 50-minute gets inversed, then yeah, I'm not waiting for this low. I'm just gonna wait for a pullback in this range and then we buy up. So target wise, I mean, this is the clear buy side. Let's jump into a 15-minute. Let's mark out equilibrium of this range. Okay, this high. That's our first target. Let's mark that out on the ES as well. What are you saying that we may as well just use the swing high like here. So that's where buy stops are resting. Yeah, here's the take profit, and then we'll see if we can leave a run into there. We'll see what the risk to reward is looking like. Okay, we've got 2 minutes on this. All right, we'll be back when the PM session actually opens. Wait, so hold on. If this 15-minute actually gets disrespected, we've already had the 1-minute model going on here. So we can go like this. It's the internal liquidity sweep. This would be the market structure shift high. And then we've already just pulled back to this gap here, but the model is already here. So let's see if this 50-minute actually gets inversed. And yeah, we can just trade off of a gap. Maybe a 2-minute. No. 3-minute. No. 4-minute. Cool. There's a 4-minute gap there. And then this would be the 4-minute model here. This. Oh wait, no, I suppose that works as well. But that looks a bit more clean. So let's just get a limit order ready in case this shit wants to play. Okay, that's too much risk. Goddamn. Let's go to micros. Oh shit, is that on my trade sinker? Because I fucked up on this last night. Yeah, that's cool. Okay. Okay. It's going to be 4 micros. See if this 15-minute holds or not. I mean, ES is respecting the hourly anyways, but see what we get. Okay, looks like this 15 minutes going to hold, so I'll be back when Price is delivering something I like the look of. Alright, so Price is displacing here. Looks like this 15 minutes not going to hold. Obviously I might take this over on ES because it's more bullish, and high time frame looks a lot more cleaner for bullish price action. Let me just delete this because we know it's there. Delivery of that 1 hour there. 5-minute models there. So maybe we wait for the pullback to the 5-minute and then go into a 1-minute chart, just for extra confirmation. Yeah, I'll just wait, and we'll see what reactions we get out of the 5-minute. I'm not going to force anything. Alright, so current scenario now is that ES is meant to be the more bullish index as of now. We have this bullish S&T. We're obviously a lot more bullish on ES here. NQ's holding the gap? ES isn't. I mean, high time frame wise, NQ is a more bullish asset. So maybe, you know, NQ's playing catch up and respecting these bullish PDRAs. Yeah, man. Might favor NQ in this position, and we're holding that 5-minute here. This is what I'm going to use for market structure shift high. See if we break it or not and open up a gap. Or we fall off and then start going towards this sell side because that 15's holding. ES inverses the gap. As of now, there's no displacement, so no trade here for me anyways. We'll see what we get in a few minutes, man. There is a gap opening up here, but again, I don't like this display. This is not clean. Gap's closed up anyways. So yeah, I'd rather see us displaced to the upside. Price can go whichever way it wants in this scenario. Yes, trading back into that 1 hour again. Okay. Yeah, NQ's being a lot more aggressive, so I like this. We'll see if, yeah, risk is pretty good as well if we get the gap around this area. So yeah, I'll go micros anyway, just so I can take contracts off. Close up the gap, great. But let's switch over and just roughly get the risk parameters set. So market structure shift highs here. So we want our thing to be around this area. Anyway, here. So that'll be around 8 micros. See what we get. So recording all good? Yeah. 2 minute? No. Yeah, no trades as of now. It's just a sit on my hands market. Couldn't take these longs in here. That was pre 2 p.m. and I wouldn't have liked it anyways because we were in this 50-minute gap. I don't know if that's going to hold or not yet. Me anticipating that 50-minute get ran through is the 1 minute structure out of this 5 minute. And right now, there's nothing for me. So, who knows? How long is that 5 minute? 1 minute left. Okay. So the next 1 minute candle, if we close below this 5 minute, then I'm going to look for a short model down to these lows, and then that hourly sell side liquidity that I talked about earlier. That makes sense to me. And then in terms of position size, it's going to be around 1 minute. Cool. Let's see what we get. So there's a new swing point here. We can break this. Open up a gap. I can enter in with a mini, but I want to use micros just so I can take contracts off at certain points and leave runners go. With a mini, it's just one take profit. And I don't know how far I want to hold this thing yet. Alright, I'm going to pause and then we'll come back when we have something present that I like. Okay, so I'm already back. Starting to displace to the downside here. I do like this on ES. ES is starting to play catch up on these lows. We inverse to 5. We're respecting the 15. Don't mind shorts here, I can't lie. I don't mind them. I'm going to take it on ES because that's being more bearish right now. Stops at this high. Two minis. I don't like that rejection, but let me just look for these lows here. Don't even have to target them lows, we can just go here. See how this candle does. It's not clean displacement here, so nothing yet. Yeah, I don't want that entry. 2 minute closed up. It's not looking the best. By all means, this gap might play out in our favor, but I don't want it. I'm just going to fade this one. Thank you, still holding that gap. Not enough clean displacement there for me. I won't be heartbroken if it plays out. I'm just going to let it do its thing. How long has this 5 minute got? 2 minutes. Cool. Damn. Okay, this gap did play out. Oh god, always the setups you fade. work out. See if we open up a 2 minute, I'll take that. Because Enki looks like it's going to inverse as well, so. Stops can go here. Oh, it's a bit heavy risk. Maybe we just go low risk on this trade. Sorry about the noise in the background. Yeah, nothing there for me yet. We'll just wait around, see if Enki wants to inverse this, and then we pull back and get a short model. 3 minute? Ooh, the 3 minute could be clean, you know. 3 minute could be clean. Never mind. Okay, hold up. 5 minutes holding. That's why we fade this short setup. Or is that just a pull back to the inverse? Who knows? One sec. Alright, clear fucking displacement. Let's get our ass to micros. This is what we wait for, boy. This is what we wait for. Good fade on the shorts. 7 micros. We won't set a TP yet, we'll just figure that out. It might be 8 micros actually. God damn. Don't close up the gap now. Wait for me. Yeah, we'll just go with 8. Yes, it's looking a little bit better, I can't lie. Maybe we take it on the S. Nah, fuck it, we'll just take it on NQ. Just make sure my risk is good. Yeah, it's decent. Cool. All right, so we're in the trade. We've got the market structure shift, we got the gap. All right, so let's work out take profits here. So we got lunch highs here. That's lunch. Equilibrium of this range. Oh, that's the trade I took yesterday. Let me delete that. Let's look at EQ of this range. This could be fine. I'll take profit. I know it's a bit of a stretch. We'll use standard deviation. Okay, lines up with this high-ish. See if we don't get stopped out anyway. I mean, I'll leave it running up here. This is 1.4R. We'll take off profits here. Maybe half. Or 5, just over. these relative equal highs. Take another 2. Okay. This is the setup. Yeah, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. Where is standard deviation? I mean, it lines up with, yeah. Lines up between here. So yeah, I'll take off most here. Fuck it. Change this to 1. So that's 1.4R. I'm not going to be greedy with holding contracts for long. Now, yes. To watch that, need to watch these highs and lunch highs. See how this plays out. Okay, so it looks like ES is running the highs first, and we're about to open up this 1 minute gap. So I'm going to trail my stops underneath this low, 24,227. And I want to see this gap keep price up. So we're just covering a bit of risk there. I'll get ready to close out early if ES takes that high first. But so far, this is running pretty nice. Here we go. It's a good expansion. Let me put a tick down in case normal NQ takes it. Because I've seen difference in point fluctuations of MNQ and normal NQ. All right, it's TP1. Change that to 2, stops to break even. Okay, good job we took it out by the tick. Because MNQ didn't even get there. Did normal NQ take it? Let's see. I was kind of lucky otherwise. No, normal NQ didn't even get there. Whatever, I'll take it. Oh god. See how much we bagged on that. Oh, don't tell me my trade sync didn't load. What? Oh, okay. Jeez. I was like, what the fuck? Okay, we're at $900. Cool. Looks like this could be a break even. That's a big rejection, but that 1 minute gap will hopefully keep us up. So should be chilling. That's crazy. I actually top ticked the fucking exit. Didn't even take the draw. Whatever. I'll take it. Alright, I'm going to pause the recording. We'll get back to when we either break even or we start running again. Alright, so TP would have ended up getting ran anyways. It's all good. Draw was correct. Trade still valid. 1 minute gap holds. We push higher. So, yeah. We'll just hold this shit break even and see how far this shit can run. Jeez. We are pushing. This is what we want to see. This is what we want to see. Absolute rocket. Oh shit, I need to get ready to take one off because ES is going to get there first. Don't want to get cooked by the SMT. Let's do it manually. Let me take that shit off. ES took this high, but it made an equal high. I want to see this high go, Matt. Where are we? Are we at standard deviation? No. Is ES a standard deviation? Okay, ES tap standard deviation. I was going to take a contract off there, but fuck it. Got this gap to hold us. Trail in profit underneath this gap at 24,244. Don't want to see us get back down there. But standard deviation lines up with that draw anyway, so see this gap hold us. Send it higher. Alright, we're starting to create that extra push. Let's see that TP get hit. Nice trade though. Still never understand why we do that. We just get that violent push up and then we just come straight back into it, like no gap. I don't get it. Could come down and soup this low though. We just got, I'm not going to close early. Just going to let market do its thing, create a structure. By all means, we could just come down, soup this low, and then we can run final TP. Just let it do its thing. I do want to take it off though if ES takes this high first, because we have this SMT. I don't want to see the internal SMT on top of that. Can't lie. So I want NQ to push through this first. NQ push through that internal high. ES is about to. We're going to hold. Going to get out when ES takes it. I'll take another contract, leave the runner. Okay, there we go. Oh, banger. So again, going over this trade, that high time frame bias, bullish at this 4 hour that I want to see. 1 hour gap on the ES held, 15-minute. We obviously, what we're getting ran through now, that 5-minute model from the gap played out. Now we're seeing that final push. ES is about to take lunch. So I'm going to take this off and close out manually. We're up good on the day though, so there's no need to close early. Yeah, we are up good. Okay, there we go. I'm out. Banger, absolute banger. We're up 1,600 on the day, 800 each count. Good start to the funded. 300 away from a pass. No emotions, we're chilling. Absolute banger. I will catch you boys tomorrow.